Hi, I'm Connie with Free Motion by the River, and today I want to share with you my new signature collection with Island Batik and Lumin Fabrics. And this collection is called Feather and Flair, and it was designed by Jerry Keeve. So let's take a look. These are beautiful fabrics. I've had so much fun working with them. So I'm going to try to give you a better look at the fabrics. This is an orange with a lime green little floral print in it. This is a beautiful orange. It's like a tone on tone, so it is great for so many things. If you're looking for an even lighter orange, this is beautiful. Another one that works the tone on tone. Then we have this. It is more of a red rose with an orange, a little design on it. Beautiful. This one I love. This is a rosy color, red. I've used this in a lot of my different quilt projects. This one, it's different, but I have used it on several things as a border and really like it. So it's got the red, the orange, teal, and blue. This one is very similar to that, except for it's lighter colors. And I just love batiks, the way they look. Everything's a little different. Nothing's perfect because they're all hand printed. This one is another beautiful one. It's feathers. So we've got the feather and flare. And it's got the orange, the blue, the rose, the navy, the teal. So it works with a lot of different things. This one is nice. This is a dark purple. It's got little peacocks on it. So it's a wonderful tone on tone. Here's another one. Very much like the other one that I showed. This is purple and teal and navy blue. This is a teal print, and it's got the peacocks on it. So it's beautiful. What do we have here? Ah, this one's pretty. This is teal with orange, light orange, dark orange, big floral, very pretty. You notice I say they're all pretty. This one was different. This is a blue, more like a royal blue with a little design. Very pretty. It does work with the greens and the teal. Now we're getting into more of, this is teal with a lime green, a feather design. Very pretty. Don't fall. And this one here is another one. Very similar colors, the teal and the lime green with a little design. Here we have another large floral print, again with the green, the teal, and the lime. If you like lime green, you'll like this one. It's beautiful with little feathers, little teal feathers on it. And I believe this is the last of the big florals. That's a very light green. It works really nice. I use this on a baby quilt. Here is another, it's a light green with white feathers on it. It's pretty. And last is this other, it's another green, lime green, little florals on there. So it's beautiful. I really love all the fabrics. And as you can see, these are all the quilts that I've made with it so far. I'll be sharing these soon. I'll go ahead and I'll show you this one. It's a little baby quilt. And as you can see, I used a lot of the light greens. Very pretty. This one is called Sea Breeze. I don't know how well you can see in this video. Very pretty. Vintage Flair. This one's pretty. This one is all done in the teals. Even put the background like that. And show you soon. This one is called Painted Peaks. Painted Peaks. And it's like a delectable mountains quilt. This one, I think I'm calling it Flight. So, look at that. That's pretty. This one, it's my all-time favorite. This is called Fletching. I think you'll like this one. It looked hard, but it's not, believe me. And my patterns are all with full color pictures, nice instructions, easy to follow. The last one is Vintage Flair again. This one is done with the oranges and the rose. So I hope you enjoyed seeing all of them, and I'm doing a blog hop the first week in August, and there'll be more information on the fabrics and all the quilts on my website. So please stop by and see them. Thank you.